That big blue box was my worst headache. It was this big, ugly, bulky cabinet that was in the most inconvenient spot possible.
Hazard.
Every time I would walk out from the living room, I would bash my head. It happened one too many times, and it had to go.
Blue and green and white and tan.
Punch it here.
Right here?
Yeah, right there.
Woo! So excited! Stripping the floors. Again.
What time is it?
Bedtime.
And we're ready to sand. Got the abatements all set up. Safety first! Yeah! The floors are sanded for the most part, but we have this random broadened circle in the middle of the hallway. So we're gonna need to figure out something to do with that. My idea to fix this is inlay a nice slab of wood. How far along did we get?
Not far enough, but we're at 220 grit, and now we just gotta clean the crud out from between the cracks, do another light sand, and then put on some stain. And we have a new member of the family. Meet Wabi, everybody. Sanding the floors. have a lot of work to do. We're doing the entryway, the laundry room, and eventually we're gonna get to the kitchen, which I'm so excited for.
Hey guys, we're gonna do the entryway next, so guys, I want you to say make sure to like, subscribe, and share.